Hi there! Nestled between Singapore Zoo and Night Safari is the River Safari. River Safari is Asia's first and only river-themed wildlife park inspired by the world's most iconic rivers. We bought ParkHopper's Pass, which includes 4 wildlife park admission: Jurong Bird Park, Night Safari, River Safari and Singapore Zoo. The cost of ParkHopper Pass is 86 Singapore dollars. More information is given in the description. The park is the home to one of the world's largest collections of freshwater and threatened animals. We have covered River Safari, Night Safari and Rainforest Lumina in this video. For Singapore Zoo, you can check out the link above. The Amazon Quest and boat ride was under maintenance when we had visited this place. Night Safari takes you on a 40 minutes open-air tram ride. A live commentary is also provided to give you a better understanding of the nocturnal animals.
Hours underwater to keep their skin moist. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are on top of their heads.
Singapore Zoo presents Rainforest Lumina, a multimedia night walk on the wild side. Rainforest Lumina is a 1 kilometer walk through the lush rainforest and it's open to everyone.
Adventure! The Creature Crew is excited to show you how we dance, sing, and play to protect the rainforest. Continue along the path and you'll discover an enchanted garden where you can choose your special virtue. Pick one wristband that shows off your best quality. Mine is courage. Everybody, take it from me. The Creature Crew is here, you're part of our family. Remember, the rainforest is where we have fun. We're glad to see you here with us because we are
ParkHopper Plus does not cover Rainforest Lumina. So you need to buy a separate ticket which costs you 18 Singapore dollars for adults and 14 Singapore dollar for kids.
Everybody, take it from me. The Creature Crew is here, you're part of our family. Remember, the rainforest is where we have fun.
The walking paths are well lit to ensure the safety and security of the visitors. Rainforest Lumina will take approximately 45 minutes to an hour to complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon with another new video. Till then, take care.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.